In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any image in Canva step by step. If you're struggling with creating eye-catching graphics, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do so you can create stunning images, presentations, or marketing materials. Let's get started. Subscribe to Business for Chummies for more great software tutorials, business ideas, and other eye-opening content. First, open your web browser and navigate to canva.com, or open up the Canva app like I have. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Once logged in, click on Create a Design and select Custom Dimensions to match your project's requirement. Now click Uploads on the left sidebar and select the image you want to work with from your local computer. You can also select a stock photo from the Elements panel. Note that the images with the crown symbol next to them are only available with the Pro account. Click the sponsored Canva Pro link in the video description to support the channel and sign up for Canva Pro to gain access to millions of high-quality photos, videos, and vector graphics for your project. Once you've selected an image, it will appear in your workspace. Next, click on the image in the workspace to select it. You'll see a toolbar at the top. Click on Edit Photo in the toolbar. Under the Tools section, select Background Remover. Canva will automatically start processing your image. Depending on the complexity of your image, this might take a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see the background removed and you'll be left with just the subject. If you need to make adjustments, hover over the Background Remover tool and click on the Configure icon in the toolbar. You can use the Brush tool to add or subtract from the selection. Make sure the subject is well defined and the background is completely removed. When you're satisfied with the result, you can now add other elements into the background and foreground to make your image pop. Once you have completed your design, click the Share button in the top right corner. Click Download, choose the file type, size, and other image options, then click Download again. And that's it! You've successfully removed the background from an image in Canva. This feature can be a game changer for your design projects. Get creative and explore the possibilities. Unfortunately, that's the end of the video. If you like the channel, please show your support by subscribing. I hope you learned something and had some fun. See you soon, chum!